common, like currently I have this website. Right now I have 2 blocks here, which says injected by this red block, and then here another one injected because I intentionally added these blocks. So what I generally happen, you will see something like this. This block will not display like this, it will be display none. So it's right there in your blog post, but it's not visible anymore. So if the website is hacked, you will see this kind of stuff happening. So for example, this blog is the same way. You might see there is not display. This time here we can say opacity 0. And you can see it's gone. Now in display none, it doesn't take any space. In opacity it does. So you might see sometimes there is some white space showing up. That is a sign that there you need to check your pages. What you can do basically, you can check the view page sources. You can search for the display none, and you can see like it is from your code or it is coming from something that you are not aware of. Thing we can do, we can run this command. So here I'm running it on the CloudyWP.com.au, and what it is going to do, it is going to give us the links, external links. So you can see on this page we have these links as href showing up. You can run this command and you can see how many links are getting external going out from your pages, and monitor if there is any fishy links up there. The way to find the display none and hidden content as well. So here is the command. All you need to do, you can use the same command. You need to update the domain. So here I would say .au or whatever domain you have. So I'm going to put here. Now it will show you on the page how many display nones are there. If there are so many, you can go and check on each page. Another step is to check how your browser sees the website and how the Google bot sees the website. I have these 3 commands here, and we will run one by one. And if you check here in this command, I already added the domain, so you can do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here, clear. Let's run the first command and see. So on the domain itself, I'm running it. And it is going to store the data in this HTML. Then we are going to run the command for Google, and then this is going to store in googlebot.html. Now we need to compare these. Let's copy and run. You can see it's comparing this path as well as this path, so both of ours. Now it's giving me the exact same number for both. That's fine because the same page seen by both is exactly the same. If there is small difference, it's still fine. If it is huge difference, then there is something fishy. You need to check your page a more detailed way. To do it through the database. So I'm in the WordPress database of one website. There are 3 tables we need to check: WP posts, and then post meta, and as well as WP options. So I'm going to copy and paste the code here, and we're going to run it one by one to see if this database is clean. We are looking for basically fishy keywords inside the database, and these queries are available. You can get them. So I'm putting in here, paste, and it is matching some of the domains like .com, like .ru here, .tk. These are not good. If these are in the system, in your database, here are the keywords you can see. So payday loan, replica, Rolex, it will check for. Now I hit go. So it returns me nothing. That means all is clean. So you can run this. So this we ran on the table WP posts. Now the same way I'm gonna run on the different database tables. Now for the second table, go the same way. I go in SQL, paste, and hit go. This time we are checking for the WP post meta. This comes clean, that means this table is also fine. Now at last, let's go to the other table, WP options. So it's here, I'll paste it. And we are checking this time WP options, go, and it's empty as well. So database is clean. We can say that there is no fishy word or links are there present, no domain like .ru, .tk, these kinds present inside our database. So it's safe. This is the another check. Now I have the website running on my local, and currently it's running just fine. So what I'm using is the WP local by Flywheels. So here's the website. So for this step we need the site shell. So we need to launch it, and when I launch it I get that there's a WP CLI running, and you can see that it's showing up there. Now I want to make sure that our sites file, the WordPress files, are all correct. So we can using WP CLI, we can check that. So for that I'm going to copy this command here and make sure you have WP CLI running, and then you put the command like this, and it will check the WordPress installation verifies against checksums. That means your WordPress, all files of your WordPress system is correct. They are not manipulated or changed, so your WordPress files are fine. The same way we can check the plugins as in comparison to how they are present in WordPress.org. We have the command here, WP plugin verifies checksums. What it does, it checks how the plugin is present in the WP.org, WordPress.org, and the version we have in our system, on website is if it is exactly the same. All the files are the same, nothing is tempered. So this checks for that. So I run this one. It tells me, you can see here, success verified 1 of 2 plugins, 1 skipped. Now, if any plugin is skipped, that means that plugin is not present in your in WordPress.org. Maybe it's a custom plugin or something. The verified one is the one that is present and it verified from the WordPress.org. So we are good. So any plugin which is skipped, you can check yourself if it is the plugin. So for example, here is a warning. It says the plugin CWP demo injector skipping, because it's a custom plugin I created, and that the plugin, I added this here just a demonstration on this video because I wanted to show you how people can inject content in your pages. So yeah, all good. So our plugins are fine, and only it skips the custom plugins if it is not present in WordPress.org. So look for that as well.
Tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.